Hello everyone, welcome back to Explain CAD. Today we are going to learn about slots. So first of all, select plane, normal. Now from here we can select a slot option. Here four types of slots are available: straight slot, center point straight slot, 3-point arc slot, center point arc slot. First option is straight slot. Select straight slot. It requires first starting point and second end point and third point according to its height of slot. By smart dimension, give it some dimensions: 110 mm. Either we can give a semicircle radius, let's give it 15 mm, or from here we can also give some dimensions. So select this line, select this line, this line, this, keep it horizontal. Next slot is center point straight slot. Center point is reference point of the slot is its center. Now is center point straight slot. Both sides are equal. Now give it some height. Here either we can give dimension to it, this line, or we can also give dimension to this one. So let's give it 50 mm. This one 30 mm. Next slot is 3-point arc slot. It requires 3 points: first point, second point, and third point is according to arc shape. And now create its semicircle line. Select these two points. Either we can give it dimension from here or by radius. Semicircle. Next is center point arc slot. But its reference center comes in center of the arc. Its center point arc slot. Center point. Now try arc. And smart dimension. Give this radius 30 mm. This one 45 mm. And this not requires because it automatically takes its cat. Thanks for watching.